Our 16-year-old son Joshua loves to experiment with pallet builds, especially since his garden bed builds took off last year. He's been experimenting with these pallet benches. They only require some reclaimed pallets and a 2x4. The first step is to break down your pallet. Joshua's using his pallet buster to do it. There are several ways to take them apart, and this is one of them. For this build, you only need approximately one pallet. Step 2, we're going to check all the boards and remove all the nails. So you take your 3 skid boards, you measure one side 19 inches and cut. You take the other side, measure 20 inches and cut. So that's going to leave us with 3 19-inch pieces and 3 20-inch pieces, and we can discard the middle. So on the 20-inch pieces, we want to cut off the smaller ear on each end. So take 10 of your pallet boards and cut them to 40 inches each. We took 4 40-inch boards and arranged them on top of our 19-inch skid boards that we cut. Now we attached a 40-inch board to the front of the bench. We then sanded lightly the boards and the sides of the boards. To make the back, we take our 40-inch pallet boards and attach them to our 20-inch skid boards, leaving 4.5 inches of space at the bottom. We took a 40-inch pallet board and attached it to the top of the back of the bench to make it look nicer. Again, we sand to make everything smoother, the corners, the edges. Then we take our back and we screw it into the bottom. Then take your 2x4 by 8 feet and cut it into 2-foot sections. We take the 2x4 pieces, attach them as legs. To create a 2-inch tilt, we measured 10 inches up in the back and 12 inches in the front. To create the armrest, we cut a 4-foot pallet board in half to make two 2-foot pieces and simply nail or screw it down to the legs. We do one final sanding. Now the bench is ready for stain or paint. A great low budget pallet project. And Joshua has been selling these for $40 a piece. If you want to see more projects that Joshua is up to, make sure to like and subscribe.